For 250 years, this flag has stood through sacrifice, struggle, and freedom earned. Today we don't just celebrate a date, we honor the men and women who built this nation and those who continue to defend it. So wherever the road takes us, we ride with gratitude, pride, and the freedom that makes every mile possible. Happy 250th, America.
Happy 4th of July, everyone. I hope you're all enjoying the holiday, spending time with family and friends, and maybe even getting out for a ride. There aren't many better ways to celebrate America's birthday than putting some miles on an American motorcycle. Today, I thought it'd be the perfect time to give you a full walk around of my bike and show you every major accessory and upgrade I've added. We'll start up front and work our way all the way to the back, so stay tuned.
Starting up front, these are the Crossred Cycle foot and hand controls. One of the first things you'll notice is the quality. They give the bike a much cleaner custom look than stock, but they're also incredibly functional. The added grip gives me more confidence, especially on longer rides or in less than perfect conditions. It's one of those upgrades you appreciate every time you throw a leg over the bike. Moving up to probably my favorite performance upgrade, these are the Legends Axial 43 front fork cartridges. The front end feels more planted, it handles bumps better, and braking feels much more controlled. It's one of those modifications that makes every mile more enjoyable. Next up is the Trask air breather. Besides giving the bike a more aggressive look, it helps the engine breathe more efficiently and really complements the other performance upgrades. Right below that are the Vance & Hines big radius pipes. Let's be honest, a Harley should sound like a Harley. Moving back, this is the Saddleman step-up seat. Comfort becomes a lot more important once you start putting serious miles on the bike. Right behind that are my Thrash & Supply saddlebags. These have probably been one of the most useful additions I've made. They keep the bike looking clean and aggressive. Right here, I've also added the Hogworks crash bar. Hopefully it's one of those parts I never actually have to use, but it's nice knowing it's there. One thing I get asked all the time is how I listen to music on rides. This is the Plex Audio 2.0 stereo system. It's surprisingly loud even at highway speed, whether it's music, navigation, or podcast. All of my smoke lighting comes from Moons MC. That includes the smoke lenses and turn signals. Finally, out back is the Hogworks LED taillight with integrated turn signals.
That's the current setup from the Crossred Cycle controls all the way back to the Hogworks taillight. Every upgrade has made this bike a little more comfortable, a little more capable, and a little more like my own. On a day that celebrates freedom, there's something special about throwing a leg over the motorcycle and hitting the open road. Whether you're riding across town or across the country, this holiday weekend, ride smart, ride safe, watch out for each other, and enjoy the freedom we have to do what we love. If you enjoyed this walk around, hit that like button, subscribe for more motorcycle content, and let me know in the comments what's the best modification you've ever added to your bike. Happy 4th of July, and I'll see you on the next ride. Peace.